নমস্কাৰ প্ৰিয় দৰ্শক সেন্টেন্সৰ এৰৰ ডিটেকশ্যনৰ ওপৰত কেইটামান এক্সাম্পলৰ সৈতে ভিডিঅটো প্ৰস্তুত কৰা হৈছে পৰীক্ষাত এৰৰ ডিটেকশ্যনৰ কাৰণে সেন্টেন্স এটা দিয়া থাকে তাৰ এবিসিডি অংশৰ যেটো ভুল থাকে বা ভুল নাথাকিলে নো এৰৰ অপচনটো ক্লিক কৰিব লাগে আজিৰ প্ৰথম সেন্টেন্সটো দিয়া আছে continuous drizzle in the city kept the people indoors today এই সেন্টেন্সটোত as যোনটো পাৰ্ট আছে ইয়াৰ continuous এটো continuous নহব continual হব continual drizzle in the city kept the people indoors today এটো হব correct sentence তাৰ পিছত for a long time I did not know who was sitting besides me because it was very dark এই সেন্টেন্সটোত besides অৰ্থাৎ c যোনটো পাৰ্ট আছে এই পাৰ্টটোত ভুল আছে ইয়াত besides নহব beside hobo for a long time I did not know who was sitting beside me because it was very dark tar 3 number to ase the professor tried his best to bring home on the students the need for hard work a sentence to c option to on ase on no hobo yat hobo to the professor tried his best to bring home to the students the need for hard work eto hobo correct sentence next 4 number junto sentence ase she has been practicing medical profession for a long time but is yet to attain perfection yat practicing junto spelling ase eto bhul ke dia ase yat practicing hobo practicing medical profession for a long time but is yet to attain perfection next 5 number ase my friends insisted that I should see the movie from beginning to the end yat d option ot bhul ase from beginning to end yet d no hobo my friends insisted that I should see the movie from beginning to end number 6 irregardless of what people say I must repeat that these are the facts concerning the requirements for the position yet as unto part ase etu bhul ase irregardless no hobo regardless hobo regardless of what people say I must repeat that these are the facts concerning the requirements for the position number 7 a nationwide survey has brought up an interesting finding regarding infant mortality rate in India a sentence to brought up junto part ase b year b part to bhul brought up no hobo brought up or thait brought out hobo a nationwide survey has brought out an interesting finding regarding infant mortality rate in India number 8 several prominent figures involved in the scandal are required to appear to the investigation committee a sentence to d option to bhul ase yat tour holoni ami before likhibo laibo several prominent figures involved in the scandal are required to appear before the investigation committee eto hobo correct sentence tabisot number 9 it is wrong on your part to call into question the integrity of your elder brother a sentence to call into a option to bhul ase it is wrong on your part to call in question the integrity of your elder brother yat to likha no hobo orthat call in hobo eto hobo correct sentence tar pisot number 10 you are never practical and your suggestions hold no water because they are not convincing yet c option to bhul ase you are never practical and your suggestions do not hold water because they are not convincing. No water holoni hobo do not hold water. Eto hobo correct sentence. Next, number 11. When the police approached him, he held up his both hands to show that he was surrendering. Yet B option to ভুল আছে. When the police approached him, he held up both his hands. He held up his both নহব. He held up both his hands to show that he was surrendering. এটো হ'ব correct sentence. তাৰপিছত number 12. You have to make a commitment based on the faith that all human beings have capabilities and abilities that are always not visible. A sentence to C option to ভুল আছে. You have to make a commitment based on the faith that all human beings have capabilities and abilities that are not always visible. Not to আৰৰ লগত লিখিব লাগিব, তাৰ পিছত always visible হ'ব. এটো হ'ব correct sentence. Number 13. I find it impossible to hold up any longer and I must therefore resign my post. A sentence to A option to ভুল আছে, অর্থাৎ ইয়াত hold upৰ হলনি hold on লিখিব লাগিব. I find it impossible to hold on any longer and I must therefore resign my post. তাৰপিছত number 14. In spite of my consoling her, she kept weeping throughout the day. ইয়াত B option to ভুল আছে. In spite of my consoling her, she kept on weeping throughout the day. ইয়াত kept ৰ লগত on লিখিব লাগিব. এটো হ'ব correct sentence. Next, number 15. Do not be afraid of difficulties and carry out your business as usual. Yet, do not be afraid of difficulties and carry out or holoni carry on hobo, অর্থাৎ out or holoni আমি on লিখিম. Do not be afraid of difficulties and carry on your business as usual. এটো hobo correct sentence. Number 16. Though recently married, Rita and Rahul are not pulling on well with each other. ইয়াত C option to ভুল আছে. Though recently married, Rita and Rahul are not pulling well. ইয়াত on to লিখিব নালাগে. Are not pulling well with each other. Number 17. She called on my office yesterday but I was out of station on tour. She called on. A option to অর্থাৎ A part to A part to ভুল আছে. She called at my office. She called at my office yesterday but I was out of station on tour. Call on or holoni call at hobo. She comes from a rich family but she does not know how to behave. A sentence to she comes from আছে a from or holoni she comes of hobo. She comes of a rich family but she does not know how to behave. এটো hobo correct sentence. It is difficult to put up his abrasive behavior in such circumstances. A sentence to B option to ভুল আছে. It is difficult to put up with এটা hobo. ইয়াত put up with his abrasive behavior in such circumstances. The number 20. He will not attend office today as his wife is laid down with fever. Yet C option to ভুল আছে. He will not attend office today as his wife is laid down নহব. ইয়াত হ'ব laid up with fever. Number 21. You are expected to stand by your friends when they are in difficulties. A sentence to কোনো error নাই অর্থাৎ D option to hobo no error. You are expected to stand by your friends when they are in difficulties. Etu ঠিকই আছে, no error. Next, number 22. If you do not know the meaning of any word, please see in the dictionary. A sentence to C option to bhul ase. If you do not know the meaning of any word, please look up in the dictionary. C holoni hobo look up. Number 23. He is so busy a man that he cannot cope up with heavy rush of work. ইয়াত B option to ভুল আছে অর্থাৎ he is so busy a man that he cannot cope with heavy rush of work. ইয়াত up to লিখা নহব. He is so busy a man that he cannot cope with heavy rush of work. তাৰপিছত when you enter her room, please put off your shoes. ইয়াত C option to ভুল আছে. When you enter her room, please take off your shoes. Put off or holoni hobo take off. Number 25. The doors are very strong as they are made up with fine wood. A sentence to B part 2 ভুল আছে. ইয়াত the doors are very strong as they are made up with. A up with or holoni hobo made of. The doors are very strong as they are made of fine wood. Azir video ami 25 error detection or example আলোচনা কৰিছো. আশা কৰো আজিৰ ভিডিওটো যদি ভিডিওটো ভাল পাইছে তেন্তে বেসিক ইংলিশ ইন আসামিজ চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্রাইব কৰিব। ধন্যবাদ।